Welcome to day 7 of the 14-day passive income challenge. Today we are going to discuss the worst asset. Yeah, the worst. What's the worst asset that you can own? Stay tuned. What's the worst asset that a person can own? Think about it. Out of all assets, what is the worst you can own? Before I'm gonna tell you, please pause the video and write it down. I'm very curious what you're gonna be writing down. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you wrote down. You ready? The worst asset that a person can own is this. Cash. Cash is depreciating every day that you own it. Not only does it depreciate, you know who decides what the value of the cash should be? Your government. Not even you, not even the marketplace. It's not an open place where people can decide the value. The government can, with one stroke of a pen, decide that your money should be worth more or it should be worth less. They're going to print more of it, they're going to print less of it. I'm not going to go into the whole cryptocurrency discussion now. That's for another time. But inflation is something that eats up your money so much that it makes it the worst asset to own. Anything you own, this microphone, is better than owning cash. Anything you own is better than owning cash. If you own postage stamps, it's better than owning cash. Anything that you own that goes up in value together with the marketplace, it's something that makes more sense usually. I'm not going to tell you to own dairy stuff. You're going to own milk, you're going to lose the value because it's going to be rotten. But any normal, valuable thing that has a market for it, that people want to have it, you buy a piece of property, more people want to live there, the value goes up. You buy a piece of equipment, the inflation goes up, that will go up as well. Think about the best assets you can own that should be inflation proof, and you shouldn't be losing money every time that the government decides that they want to devalue their currency. Thanks for being with me on the 14-day passive income challenge. I'm looking forward being with you for the entire journey.